Great day everyone! Today nandito tayo sa TUY Batangas to feature a 33 hectares land, flatland agricultural land. But before we begin our house tour, thank you so much to our listing agents, to our sellers and brokers for sending us a nice big, it's huge, yeah, great potential property along the highway, 6-lane road. This property is titled with Certificate of Land Ownership or the CLOA title. You know, it's matured already. So, kukuha lang tayo ng clearance from the DAR. Pero we will help you to assist hanggang sa transfer of ownership. By the way, this property is flatland and right now agricultural land. At mayroon siyang mga agricultural products, mga sugarcane, and then pwede rin siyang maging rice field. So it's up to you, but you know, this property is feasible for a solar power, no? Seems like doon sa mga, kasi kailangan ng energy right now because of the demand. So solar power, ito is also feasible kasi flatland. This is also good for a real estate development, seems like a housing project or a condominium project or any real estate development project, feasible also for industrial. It's good for land banking kasi mostly of the investors, they invested their fund into a land banking and later on for a land assembly. Ayan, look at that, no? Kasi you know, you have the potential to put up and to create a real estate development project kasi nice area. At napakalapit lang din nito going to the beaches, no, mga 30 minutes drive to Lian, Batangas. This is also very good for commercial land because it has nice frontage, no? As you can see via drone, ang ganda ng ating pinaka frontage. Also feasible for institutional, no? Seems like school, churches, ayan, so many others. And of course, this is also feasible for CMP. What is the CMP? It's Community Mortgage Program. Now, shout out sa ating mga joint ventures with the foundation so you can make your community mortgage program. This is also feasible. Ayan, okay, napakadami nating pwedeng gawin dito sa ating real estate properties for sale dito sa TUY Batangas. And of course, this is a solid investment. It's a fixed asset. It's immovable. It's permanent. It's unique because you have nice frontage, no? Not all the property with nice frontage and access, but this one, 33 hectares, it has nice access and good potential. So what are you waiting for today? So inquire now. So we have licensed and agents to accommodate your call and even the booking for the tripping. So we have the contact numbers on our description so that we will do the site ocular. Again, my name is Ray and I hope to see you in our next video. Thank you so much. Daghang salamat. Gracias amigo all over the globe. Thank you very much and God bless everybody.